Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your side hustle with Etsy, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your side hustle on Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account. Evaluate your current shop performance to identify areas for improvement. Review your product listings to ensure they are accurately described and appealing. Consider updating your product photos to make them more eye-catching. Research your competitors to see how your products compare in style and pricing. Revise your shop policies to ensure they are clear and customer-friendly. Focus on optimizing your shop's SEO by incorporating relevant keywords in your titles and tags. Update your shop banner and logo to reflect your brand's identity and aesthetic. Streamline your inventory by removing outdated or underperforming products. Explore seasonal trends and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Reassess your pricing strategy to ensure it covers costs while remaining competitive. Engage with customers by responding to messages promptly and courteously. Create a marketing plan to promote your shop through social media and other channels. Consider running a sale or promotion to attract new customers and stimulate sales. Network with other Etsy sellers to share ideas and collaborate on promotions. Monitor your shop analytics regularly to track the effectiveness of your changes. Be open to feedback and use it to refine your shop continuously. Make necessary adjustments based on customer reviews and suggestions. Stay informed about Etsy's policies and updates to ensure compliance. Always be willing to experiment and try new strategies to keep your shop fresh and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.